Hey guys, it's Lucy and today we're going to explore the difference of squares formula using a visual method. The formula we're looking at is the square of a minus the square of b equals to bracket a plus b times bracket a minus b. This formula is super duper useful in algebra, and we'll use a geometric approach to understand why it works. First, let's draw two squares. The vertices of the larger square is A, B, C, and D, and it has a side length of A. Then, we draw a smaller square and place it in the lower right corner of the larger one. The vertices of the smaller square are point E, point F, point C, and point G, and it has a side length of B. The area of the larger square is the square of A, and the area of the smaller square is the square of B. You'll see that the difference between square ABCD and square EFCG is an irregular shape, and we're going to color it in blue. The blue shaded area between the two squares represents the difference of their areas, which is the square of A minus the square of B. Next, let's cut the shaded area into two rectangular pieces. To do this, we make a horizontal cut from point E to point H from the larger square. This divides the shaded region into two parts. The rectangle on the top has dimensions A times bracket A minus B, and the rectangle on the bottom has dimensions B times A minus B, bracket. Now, let's rearrange these two rectangles. If we place them side by side, their combined dimensions will be A plus B in length and A minus B in width. This forms a new rectangle with an area of bracket A plus B times bracket A minus B. Since the area of the shaded region hasn't changed, we can conclude that the square of A minus the square of B equals to bracket A plus B times bracket A minus B. This geometric demonstration shows why the difference of squares formula works as it's written. By visualizing the squares and rearranging the pieces, we've proven that the algebraic formula the square of A minus the square of B equals to bracket A plus B times bracket A minus B is true. This method helps us understand the formula in a more intuitive way. The difference of squares formula has extensive applications in both mathematics and geometry. It can be used to simplify algebraic expressions, simplifying fractions by factoring the numerator or denominator. It can also be used to solve certain types of equations, particularly quadratic equations. And that's it for today. Hope you liked this video. If you did, remember to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye!